we use has to and have to. Has to is used with when our subject. Everyone knows about subject. Okay, subject is who is running the sentence. Okay, who is running the sentence is subject.
आपके साथ एग्रीकल्चर आपको अपनी वैल्यू को तेज रखना होता है, स्पीड को स्लो रखना होता है।
Good evening to all of you. Please sit down. Good evening to all of you. Let me first a warm welcome to all my gathering students. Firstly, I would like to thank my teacher who gave me this wonderful opportunity to teach you all. So, well, my name is Kriti Pandey and today I am going to teach you a crucial topic of grammar. And this grammar structure is used a lot in speaking. Is used a lot in speaking, okay? And please don't judge my teaching. All you have to judge is my speaking. If I make any mistake, then please pardon me because I am also a learner. And from my side, I am giving my 100%. And one thing I just want from your side, please pay attention to the board and try to understand what I am trying to say. Because I am giving my precious time to you, and you too also giving, and you also giving your precious time to me. And I hope you will enjoy this session. So let's start. So the topic is has to, have to, had to. Where we use has to, have to, had to. When there is a compulsion, means you have to do this work by hook or by crook. You have no options. You have no option. You have to do this work. Then we will use has to, have to, and had to. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk about where we use has to, have to, and when we use had to. Has to and have to used in present. And had to is used in past. Everyone knows about present and past?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain. Present are tense expressing an action that is currently going on or habitually. Means when you talk about what's happening right now. If I talk to you, what's happening here right now? If I talk to you, what's happening here right now? I am teaching to you and you all are listening to me. Okay? This is past. Sorry, this is present. Sorry. This is present. Okay? Means in present, your current situation, your current position comes under the present. Okay? And let's talk about past. Past. Things you did yesterday. If I took your class yesterday, then it's called past. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the where we use has to and have to. Where we use has to and have to. Has to is used with when our subject. Everyone knows about subject.
No, ma'am.
Okay, subject is who is running the sentence. Okay, who is running the sentence is subject. When your subject is he, she, it, and singular subject. Okay, when your subject is he, she, it, and singular, then we will use has to. And when our subject is I, we, you, they, and plural subject, then we will use have to. Let's talk about what is singular and plural. Everyone knows what singular and plural?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Singular subject is when there is a single person. For example, what's your name? Okay, Krati. It's a single name. It's a singular. And when there is only a single person, it's singular. When there is more than one person, when there involve two person, then more than one person, then it is called plural. For example, Ram and Shyam, Sita and Geeta. Here is more than one person, then it is plural. Is it clear? Okay. He, she, it singular के साथ singular we will use has to, and I, we, you, they plural subject, then we will use have to. In past we will use had to. The past. Okay. Now come to the syntax of this grammar. Now come to the syntax. Subject plus has to, and when our subject is I, we, you, they and plural, then we will use have to. And in both has to and have to we will use V1, verb's first form. Okay. So for example, here there is a compulsion. Sorry. For example, मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. There is a compulsion. You have to go to school. You have no option. You have to go to school by hook or by crook. Then you, for example, मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. मैं कहाँ लिखूँ? इसके हो नहीं पा रहा है. Okay. मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. I have to go to school. मुझे मंदिर जाना पड़ता है. I have to go to school. There is a compulsion. There is a compulsion. You have to do this work. You have to study. You have to go temple. You have to take your medicine. For example, can you relate with compulsion? Okay. Okay. Still, I will explain. Compulsion means suppose that you are ill. Okay, and you are ill and you don't want to take medicine. Still, you have to take medicine because you have to take medicine to get well soon. You have no option. Is there any option if you take no medicine? No, there is no option. Means you have to take medicines. Okay, so there is a compulsion. Then we use has to and have to. Now come to the some examples. मुझे दवाई खानी पड़ती है. Answer. Okay, I have to. Subject I, and according to I we use have to, and verb take, object is medicine. I have to take medicine. Okay, is it clear? Okay. उसे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. उसे ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है. So here is he has to go office. He has to go office. He has no option. Doesn't matter it is raining outside, it is hailing outside. He has to go office. Got it? Okay. हाँ? औरत को आदमी को कमाना पड़ता है. Men have to. Men is singular or maybe plural, then we will use according to the. Okay. Who knows the difference between man and men? Okay, tell me. Anyone knows about the difference between man and men? Okay, I'll explain. Man is a singular person and men is plural. Okay, men is singular, men is plural. When our subject is men, then we will use has to. When our subject is men, then we will use have to. Is it clear? Men and men. Sound please, everybody speak with me. Men. Men. Okay. like that.
You can ask the people of there. What is the pronunciation of the second word?
What is the correct pronunciation of the second word?
Women.
Huh?
Women.
Everybody speak.
Women.
Women. Okay.
It's a women.
It's women. It's women. ठीक है? The session.
What is the plural of the child?
What is the plural of the child?
Children.
Okay. What is the plural of the wife? Wives.
Wives.
Spelling?
WIVES.
Good. Okay. End कर दे. अरे sit down. Okay. Session. Okay. I will ask some examples. Okay. मुझे उसकी प्रशंसा करनी पड़ती है. मुझे उसकी प्रशंसा करनी पड़ती है.
I have to praising him.
Anyone? मुझे उसकी प्रशंसा करनी पड़ती है. Okay. Tell me. I have to praise him. Okay. Good. Okay. Here we can replace the word praise. Appreciate. प्रशंसा करना. Please use acclaim and appreciate words. Okay. Now the session is about to end. If you have any doubt, then please ask me. I hope you all understand what I am trying to say.
Anybody has a question in their mind? Anybody has a question in his mind? Nobody has.
Women को plural में कैसे बोलते नहीं आए?
Women.
Women.
It's a women.
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 It's a women.
क्या?
Women.
Women.
Women नहीं, it's a women.
Women.
वो men नहीं, it's a women.
As a part of a pen.
Yeah, it's a sound of women. It's a women. बोलो तो सही.
Women.
हाँ. It's a not a who, it's a we.
Women.
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 It's a man, it's a women.
Okay. I hope you all like this session. Thank you.
What is the plural of the wife?
Wives. Wives.
Spelling?
WIVES.
I will ask some examples. Okay. मुझे उसकी प्रशंसा करनी पड़ती है. मुझे उसकी प्रशंसा करनी पड़ती है. Anyone? मुझे उसकी प्रशंसा करनी पड़ती है. I have to praise. Okay, good. Here we can replace the word praise. We can use
में कैसे बोलते थे यहाँ
women.
women
It's for women. Women.
women
It's for women.
क्या
Women.
women
Women नहीं, it's for women.
women
Women नहीं,
sir
it's
man
for women.
is a part of the pen and we have a lot of feedback for you we have a lot of feedback for you जब आप क्लास ले रहे होते हो तो must be